video, we'll be looking at starting your print job of your Trusana base on the Sega UV Max. Please refer to the Trusana workflow guide for any additional details. First, we'll want to make sure that the base resin is thoroughly mixed, either by shaking vigorously for 5 minutes or using a roller for approximately 30 minutes. We'll insert our resin vat into the printer and secure it in place. Next, we'll take our mixed bottle of Trusana base resin and pour it up to at least the minimum line in the vat. Now we'll install the build platform. It's always good to work in a well-ventilated area. If you don't have access to exhaust, please use an air filtration system like this Quattro unit. On the printer, we'll click Print, Build, and the build that we sent. Click Continue, confirm that the build area is complete, and click Yes. Build will now start. We'll close our fume extraction enclosure and wait for the print job to complete. Thank you for watching.